here, for example, in our expression, okay, so when we wrote 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, there are 3 numerals involved here, 2, 3 and 5. So we'll only deal with decimal numerals. Now what does it mean? It means that, let's say that I have a number 5. Okay, so the digit here is 5. Now if I move this digit to the left hand side, then I come up with another number, and this number has now become 50. So the digit remains the same. The digit here is 5 and here also the digit is 5. But the value of the digit as I moved it towards the left has increased by 10 times. Okay. So this is what we mean by decimal system. In the decimal numeral system, what happens is that as we move the digits towards the left, they increase 10 times in value. For each move towards the left, the digit would increase 10 times in value. So this digit here is known as units place. This is known as tens place. After that we have hundreds place, then thousand place. And each of the place towards the, as I'm moving the digit towards the left, it is 10 times into 10. Okay, 10 times bigger than the place which is towards the right. So this value of a digit by virtue of its place is known as the place value. Okay, so the face value on the other hand is just the value of the digit itself without considering its face, without considering its place. So just by looking at the digit, you will say that this is also a 5. Okay, this is also a 5. This is also a 5, and this is also a 5. In all of these 3 scenarios, the number, the face value of the digit is 5 only. It remains 5. Whereas the place value, it changes because this number 5, this numeral 5, this digit 5 is occupying 3 different places. Here it is in the units place where its value is just 5. Here it's in the tens place where its value is 50, and here it's in a hundreds place where its value has become 500. Okay, so that is what we mean by place value and face value. Right? Another way to understand place value and face value, very simple example, is that there is a person, there is a boy who is remains. He is the same boy. Okay, the same boy. He moves from the first class. He has passed the first class, and now he has moved on to the second class. Okay, so he has moved on from class 1 to class 2. So the face of the boy remains the same. That means that he has the same face value, but the position of the boy has really increased in the school, right? He has moved from first class to the second class, or from class 1 to class 2. So his place value, by virtue of his position in the school, his value has really increased. Okay, and that is the place value. The similar thing would happen when you get a promotion in your job. Your face would of course remain the same, but your place in the company, in your job, would really change. So that is your place value by virtue of your position. So virtue of a number, the value of a number by virtue of its position is the place value of the number, whereas the face value is just the number. By looking at it, what value can we derive. Okay, so that is the place value and face value. Important concept questions.